I'm gonna be plowing our land in Bensley, man, Morocco, to get ready for the grain. Just like him. That was so cool, bro. I like went back and forth like twice, I think, and then I turned and then I went straight. It's not that hard actually. It's like normal driving. But that was so cool. Like tractor and car like feel like two different things because like the tractor is like slow and like you have to go straight and like it's harder to go straight. But like, you know, that was so cool.